Hi, I'm Jennifer Johnson, and welcome to our Excel tip of the week. Today we're going to talk about notes and comments and the differences between the two in Excel 365. Notes actually act like comments used to, and comments are really a new added feature. So let's take a look at these two different situations and when we might use each one of them. First off, let's talk about a note. A note is a single insert. It's going to be a single instance. So for example, I'm going to come over to gross profit, and I am going to click on the review tab on my ribbon, and then under notes, I'm going to add a new note. Notice that it puts my name in there, Jennifer Johnson, and it allows me to put in any kind of information that I like. So this is a note. Some of the things you'll notice about the note is that it can be resized. I can make the box bigger or smaller. Notes can be deleted or they can be edited. Additionally, I can change the name here. If I don't want my name associated with the note and I want to put somebody else's name there, I can do that. I can change the name. Now, once I'm done entering my note, I just click away. And we can either see the note or the notes might be hidden. Let's take a look at how to do that. On the cell that has a note, I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Show or Hide Note. That makes the note itself go away. But you'll notice I still have a little red triangle on the top right hand corner. That indicates that there is a note associated with this cell. When I hover over the cell, the note appears. Well, what's the difference then with comments? So if you take a look at your comment area, let's move over to gross profit in 2020. And let's insert a comment. Again, I'm on the review tab on my ribbon, and I'm going to choose new comment. Now the format of the comment looks a little bit different, right? It's got my name, and then it's got a box that says start conversation. Well, starting this conversation allows you to begin a thread of a conversation for then comments. Once I'm done entering my comment, I can record it or enter it, and then the next person who comes along can reply to that. So it's really a great way maybe to ask questions when you are collaborating on a spreadsheet, or maybe you're out on that audit engagement and your senior or manager has reviewed your work and wants to put in a comment for you to, wants to put in a comment for you to look at or review. If you notice then the comments, they cannot be resized, and everything is going to be this threaded conversation. So I cannot change the name associated with a comment, and I cannot edit who made the comment. It is all tied to whoever is logged in to that file and has rights to edit it. So again, we've got that comment indicator. Notice in this particular cell now, instead of the red triangle, it is a little purple icon there to indicate that there is a comment. Another thing that is pretty interesting about comments is we actually can show all of our comments in a comment pane. So again, on the review tab on your ribbon, I'm going to click Show Comments. And you will see all of your comments appear along the right-hand side of your screen so that you can review them, reply to them, etc. The three-bar icon or the three-dot icon just to the right of a comment allows you to delete the thread or resolve the thread. So maybe the reviewer has asked a question, somebody else has responded to it satisfactorily, and they'll resolve it, keeping track of how work was reviewed and satisfactorily completed. Notes, on the other hand, we can only just delete them or edit them. You don't see a long history, and the tracking on that note then is not going to be very effective because, as I showed you, people can change their names. So that's a little quick insight into the differences between notes and comments. You'll have to think about which one is best for your situation.